What's up, what's up? You guys like my shirt? The nice tangerine orange. This is RS orange shirt, by the way.
Make sure you got your sunglasses on if you watch this video. I got blinded.
This is a very special RS orange, all right? Damn haters right here, man. Look at those gold glasses right there.
And then what's the yellow about?
Those are PCCB brakes, bro.
Oh, so you can't see the shorts right now, but oh, there you go.
There you go. These are PCCB brakes. So basically, I'm wearing a 997.1 RS GT3 suit. So there you guys have it. Today we are going to be doing oil change on two 997.1 GT3s. From what I've seen online, looks pretty easy. You know, I wrench whenever I can, whenever it's possible. Today seems very possible. This guy is not prepped, so we're gonna go pick up some Mobile One at the local store. And
oh, you didn't tell me we were gonna be filming, so I'm gonna hold the camera so that you can do everything. That way you get on.
All right, here we go. So we need the 0W40 right here, the European car formula. Oh, you already got it? Thanks for telling me, bro. I was out here by myself looking for oil. Oh my god, like Fram, isn't this what you use on your car?
Dude, no, I use like Purelator, man, Prepples.
Actually, Purelator is actually better than Fram.
Really?
Yeah. Jacks, okay, got that. 15mm socket, 27mm wrench, 19mm socket. Oil, okay, I think we're good. We don't need anything special then.
27 mil?
That's kind of a big one, huh?
That's a big one.
Just lift the weights. All right, we got what we need, so let's head back. All right, time to move the cars out of the garage. Oh, way easier getting inside the GT3. All right, so I am gonna drive around the block in a little bit to warm up the engine. Wes' car is already hot because he drove to my house. But we're gonna start on his car first because I don't have enough of an oil pan to collect oil. And moving right along. So you guys already know, safety first. Gonna put this right here. All right, so 6 months ago, I ordered some oil filters. This one was ordered online. So we got two oil filters for 997 GT3s. And if I open it up, you guys can see that they are the filter right there and ring. All right.
So you see that right there? That's what we want on it. Wow.
Make sure you guys support yourselves when you're working under the car.
Always.
Always. All right. So according to this, the drain bolt is right over. The drain bolt's right here to the center of car, left. That one's gonna be a 15mm. So we're gonna start getting the pan. All right, note to self, make sure you have empty containers beforehand because my oil pan is filled with oil. So you gotta have to, because I have to hold the camera.
Oh shit. I knew it. You gotta have to do this, you gotta do that.
He's learning, he's learning.
Yum. Yum. I don't even need a funnel. Shit, it just goes directly in.
Back in the day, they had a company called Met Wrench that does standard and metric. I love this tool set.
And it has the open ends too that have you can do both.
All right. Use a breaker bar, make your life easier. That's a 3/8 breaker bar into a 15mm.
I don't know if this shit's just gonna shoot out or what.
Oh, I've done Porsches, but not water. Just
wow, it's hot.
Use that rag behind you.
It's open.
Next, we have to get to the oil tank bolt, and we have to remove a 19mm. So that one should be, I think it's this one right here.
7.
We need a 27 on the outer, and then we need a 19 on the inner. So
27, 19, and now we're gonna let it rip. Where's this rag? Just in case.
I'm gonna pull back a little bit.
Ready? I hate these. Oh! fucking
GG. Damn, there it is.
You have a
Got you right in the eyes, bro.
fucking A.
Had to clear that from Wes's eye because his car nutted on him real good.
Oh well.
Got it.
Now we learn. You live and you learn.
That's how it is for the air cools, man. Like on that one, the oil tank, it just.
We probably.
Whoa, nice. Well, that worked well.
Okay, now we know we got tools. Otherwise, you ever seen one of these? This is the oil filter wrench of secrets. So Harley guys used to use shit like this. So when they had chrome oil filter wrenches on their motorcycles, they didn't want to damage it by using these types of contraptions. So they'd use a strap. You just link this up to a socket and you just turn and it would strap on and it would take it off.
All right, take two with the old school Harley Davidson wrench.
Let's see if this works for us.
All right, let's see. It's like a seatbelt.
I don't think this is gonna work actually, but
yeah, we got more leakage right here.
so you just pop it off. Wow, that's a dirty filter.
All right, so we're gonna take off the old O-ring.
Just use some lube. You don't ever want to be dry. You want to have lube.
You know you're old when you got that old man grunt, which I also have. So basically, you take the new filter and you just pop it in. I forgot to tape it while I went down, so. All right.
That's it.
There you go. Oh, here it is. I was looking for these. This is 100 crush washers for all the homies.
So we got to clean out all this excess old
Dirty
oil
gunk. Yep.
out from here. And then there's here. See, if you look in there, you see how it's down at the bottom? That's all this
Gunky.
oil, old ass oil. So we just have to soak it all up. Alright, so it looks good now, and you can see the oil passage down there. Big ass oil passage down at the bottom right.
Looks good. Make sure you guys do not drip any oil right here
Yeah.
above the alternator.
Probably wouldn't be a
Bad
good
day.
thing.
Alright, now that everything is nice and clean, we're gonna cover that up right there.
Again.
And
Alright, since we're out here.
and of course Porsche recommends using Mobile One, and that's definitely what we're gonna be using or used. Alright, so for the oil tank, we're gonna have to use copper crush washers, and for the crankcase, we're gonna use the aluminum ones. So let's go. Here is the copper one. Boom, perfect fit. Alright, so according to Ren List, the copper side takes 44 pounds, so let me adjust this. Yep, that's done. This is supposed to drip for half an hour to half a day, depending on how anal you are. So tip, it is very important to read directions before you do the work, because we skipped a kind of a major step. We've got to put a quart of oil into the oil housing filter, because that's what you're supposed to do to prevent dry starts. So practice makes perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the oil housing filter and insert 1 quart of oil. So
Alright, so we're slowed to a drip now, and as Drew said earlier that some people leave this up to half a day or even a full day to let it all drip out. Depends how anal you are. I'm good with it dripping like this, so I'm just gonna cap it off, or wipe it, cap it off, and then seal it up. So here we go. Alright. So now that it's wiped off, I'm gonna cap it.
alright, so according to Ren List, this is supposed to be torqued down to 52 pounds.
Okay. Okay, we're good. Torqued, wipe,
Finished.
Finished. So now that it's all clean and now it says everything's all buttoned up, it asks you to dump a quart down where the oil filter quarts were. So that's going in now.
All right, so now that we cleaned this, we put a quart of oil in, we're gonna put the filter back in and lock it down. I like this wrench. It's pretty versatile. And now we're gonna put 8 quarts in. So we've taken a quart out of here, and then we took another quart out of here. So we have 3 here, and then 5 in in that one right there. So that'll give us 8.
You got light. So when you tighten this down, the cap comes to a point where it feels tight, and then you click it. There's one more. Click. Oh, didn't click, but you'll feel it. It's kind of like a groove right there. And that's it.
All right.
Rub it down.
Done. Wrap.
Finite.
All right, so we swapped out the GT3's. Pretty much it's gonna be the same thing. So the only time I'm gonna show you guys anything is if we do anything different. So let's get to work. Ladder action, man.
So we're doing our second GT3 now. And this one was splattering like no other. It's like Old Faithful. If you could see the damage down all around over here.
All done. First oil change.
Yeah.
Complete.
We did it.
We done did it. All right, folks. 2 GT3 oil changes in one day. Knocked out. It wasn't too bad. If we had a lift, it would have been much easier, but it's all good. Hopefully you guys liked this episode. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, tell your buddies, all that good stuff. Check you guys out on the next one. Peace out.